Hey guys, this video is show about how to clean the Xiaomi Mi robot, the trash or the dustbin. You just open here. Okay, it's very hot, it's charging. So you need to take out this. You can see there's a lot of dust inside. Okay, so now we're going to clean it. I just take out this.
Dustbin removed.
Okay, see?
Dustbin installed.
Okay, so I just take it out.
Dustbin removed.
So I need to clear this dustbin. Okay, take it off first. So when you take out from the robot, okay, so you can see there have a indicator over here. Okay, then what you need to do, you just pull it out. Just pull it. Okay, just pull it. Then you can get access to the so after that you just take it and just throw away. Okay, you throw away. For that, once you're done, what you need to do, very simple. Okay, some stick inside. One. When you clean it, you just push back. Okay, push back. So done. So now you have to put back to the robot, the vacuum robot. Clean it, you just put back to the same place. Okay, they have a sensor that you know.
Dustbin installed.
So after that, you just close it and can reuse the robot. Okay, that's all for this this video, how to clean the dustbin inside. So if you like this video, please give us a like and please subscribe to 2M channel, and thanks for watching and goodbye. Hey guys, this video I'm going to show how to turn off this Xiaomi robot. If you are still on the charging dock, you want to close it. You press
Move the vacuum away from the dock to turn off.
to turn off. You want to turn off. If your dot is still have power, you cannot turn off. You may switch off the power. Right, switch off. Okay, once I switch off, they're already off. Unless I just press. They have respond or not? No response. I press and hold.
Turning off.
That's all. They have a sound turning off. Okay, that's all for this video, how to switch off the vacuum robot for Xiaomi. And thanks for watching. Goodbye.